The tech industry is constantly evolving. New technologies emerge, job roles shift, and the skills in demand today may be obsolete tomorrow. It's a dynamic landscape that can be both exciting and daunting. The rise of artificial intelligence and automation has sparked widespread speculation about the future of work. Some fear mass job displacement, while others envision a future where technology creates new opportunities. The reality is more nuanced. The tech job market is not disappearing, it is transforming. While some traditional tech roles may become automated, new roles are emerging. These new roles require specialized skills in areas like AI, machine learning, and cybersecurity. To understand the future of tech jobs, we need to look beyond the headlines. We need to understand the forces shaping the industry and the skills that will be in demand. AI and automation are transforming industries across the board, and the tech industry is no exception. Repetitive and rule-based tasks are being automated, freeing up tech professionals to focus on higher-level tasks that require creativity, problem-solving, and critical thinking. While some tech jobs may be displaced by automation, AI is also creating new opportunities. The development, implementation, and maintenance of AI systems require a skilled workforce. This means that the demand for professionals with expertise in AI and machine learning is soaring. Data scientists, AI engineers, and machine learning specialists are highly sought after. Moreover, AI is not just about replacing human workers, it's also about augmenting human capabilities. AI tools can help tech professionals work more efficiently and effectively. For example, AI-powered code completion tools can help developers write code faster and with fewer errors. The tech industry is witnessing the emergence of entirely new job roles. These roles are driven by technological advancements and the evolving needs of businesses. For instance, the rise of cloud computing has led to a surge in demand for cloud architects, cloud engineers, and cloud security specialists. Similarly, the increasing importance of data security and privacy has created opportunities for cybersecurity analysts, ethical hackers, and data protection officers. The demand for professionals with expertise in emerging technologies like blockchain, virtual reality, and augmented reality is also on the rise. These technologies are transforming industries from finance to healthcare, creating new opportunities for tech professionals with the right skills. As the tech industry continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more new job roles emerge. Staying ahead of the curve requires continuous learning and a willingness to adapt to new technologies. The tech industry is highly competitive. It's a fast-paced environment where innovation and efficiency are key. To thrive in this environment, you need a strong foundation in technical skills, which are the backbone of any tech role. Additionally, the ability to adapt to new technologies and learn new skills quickly is crucial. The tech landscape is ever evolving, and staying updated is a must. Some of the most in-demand technical skills include cloud computing. Expertise in cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud is essential for many tech roles. These platforms are the backbone of modern IT infrastructure. Artificial intelligence and machine learning, skills in AI and ML are highly sought after, as they drive innovation in automation, predictive analytics, and more. Businesses seek to leverage these technologies for automation, data analysis, and more, making AI and ML expertise invaluable. Cybersecurity. As cyber threats become more sophisticated, the need for cybersecurity professionals who can protect sensitive data and systems continues to grow. These experts are essential in safeguarding against breaches and ensuring the integrity of digital information. Data science. With the explosion of data, businesses need data scientists who can extract insights from data and use them to make better decisions. These professionals turn raw data into actionable strategies, driving business success. Software development, strong programming skills in languages like Python, Java, and C++ are essential for software developers. These languages form the basis of most software applications. In addition to technical skills, soft skills are becoming increasingly important in the tech industry. Communication, collaboration, problem-solving, and critical thinking are essential for success in today's collaborative work environments. These skills help bridge the gap between technical expertise and practical application, ensuring that projects run smoothly and efficiently. As we move towards 2025 and beyond, the ability to continuously learn and adapt will be the most valuable skill of all. Embrace change, stay curious, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Section 5. The importance of continuous learning. The rapid pace of technological change means that continuous learning is no longer optional. It's essential for survival in the tech industry. Every day, new tools, frameworks, and methodologies emerge, making it crucial to stay updated. What you learned in school, or in your first few years of work, is unlikely to be sufficient for your entire career. The knowledge and skills that were once cutting edge can quickly become outdated. To stay ahead of the curve, you need to embrace lifelong learning. This involves not just acquiring new skills, but also refining and updating existing ones. This means continuously updating your skills, exploring new technologies, and expanding your knowledge base. Engaging with new learning opportunities can open doors to innovative solutions and creative problem solving. Fortunately, there are more resources available than ever before to support continuous learning. Online courses, coding boot camps, industry certifications, and webinars are just a few examples. Professional development programs provide ample opportunities to upskill and reskill. These programs are designed to help you stay relevant and competitive in your field. Many of these resources are affordable or even free. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and Khan Academy offer high-quality courses at little to no cost. The key is to be proactive and take ownership of your professional development. Set clear learning goals and create a plan to achieve them. Make time for learning, even if it's just an hour a day. Consistency is crucial, and even small, regular efforts can lead to significant progress over time. The more you learn, the more adaptable and valuable you become. In a world where change is the only constant, continuous learning is your best strategy for long-term success. Section 6. Adapting to the evolving tech job market. The tech job market is not for the faint of heart. It's a fast-paced, competitive environment that demands adaptability and resilience. To navigate this landscape successfully, you need to be willing to embrace change, learn new skills, and pivot your career path as needed. Networking is also crucial in the tech industry. Attend industry events, connect with people on LinkedIn, and reach out to people you admire for informational interviews. Building a strong professional network can open doors to new opportunities and provide valuable insights into the industry. Remember that setbacks are a part of the journey. Not every job application will result in an offer, and not every project will be a resounding success. The key is to learn from your experiences, both positive and negative, and use them to grow and improve. Section 7. Strategies for job seekers in the tech industry. In today's competitive tech job market, standing out from the crowd is essential. With so many talented individuals vying for the same positions, it's crucial to differentiate yourself and make a lasting impression on potential employers. Here are some strategies to help you land your dream tech job. Strategies that can give you an edge and help you navigate the complexities of the job search process. Build a strong online presence. In the digital age, your online footprint can be just as important as your resume. Your online presence is often the first impression you make on potential employers. This includes your LinkedIn profile, personal website, and any professional social media accounts. Create a professional website or portfolio that showcases your skills and experience. This can include projects you've worked on, your resume, and even a blog where you share industry insights. Network. Attend industry events, connect with people on LinkedIn, and join relevant online communities. Networking is not just about finding job leads, it's about building relationships and learning from others in the field. Reach out to people you admire for informational interviews. These conversations can provide valuable insights and potentially lead to job opportunities. Networking can open doors to hidden job opportunities that are not advertised publicly. Highlight your skills. Make sure your resume and cover letter clearly articulate your technical skills and how they align with the requirements of the job. Tailor each application to the specific role you're applying for. Highlight your achievements and quantify your impact where possible. Practice your interviewing skills. Technical interviews can be challenging. They often include coding challenges, problem-solving tasks, and questions about your past projects. Practice answering common interview questions and participate in mock interviews to build your confidence. Be prepared to solve coding challenges on the spot. Familiarize yourself with the types of problems commonly asked in tech interviews. Consider certifications. Industry certifications can demonstrate your expertise in specific technologies and make you a more attractive candidate. They show that you are committed to your professional development. Certifications can also help you stand out in a crowded job market and give you a competitive edge. Remember that job searching is a process. It requires patience, persistence, and a positive attitude. It often takes time to find the right opportunity. Be open to feedback and continuously improve your approach. Don't get discouraged if you don't land your dream job right away. Rejections are a part of the process and can be valuable learning experiences. Persistence and preparation are key. Keep refining your skills, expanding your network, and staying updated with industry trends. Your persistence will pay off in the end. Section 8. Embracing the future of tech employment. The future of tech employment is full of possibilities. While some aspects of the industry may be uncertain, one thing is clear: those who embrace continuous learning, adaptability, and a passion for technology will be well-positioned for success. The tech industry is a dynamic and rewarding field that offers opportunities for innovation, creativity, and problem-solving. By staying ahead of the curve and developing in-demand skills, you can navigate the evolving tech job market with confidence and build a fulfilling career in this exciting industry. Embrace the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead, and never stop learning and growing. Section 9. Conclusion. Navigating the evolving tech job landscape. The tech job market is not disappearing, it is transforming. AI and automation are changing the nature of work, but they are also creating new opportunities. The key to thriving in this evolving landscape is to embrace continuous learning, develop in-demand skills, and be adaptable to change. The future of tech employment belongs to those who are willing to adapt, learn, and grow. Don't miss out on the future of tech. Subscribe to our channel and stay updated with the latest trends and insights.